Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Yesterday, Hazrat Amir al-Mu'mineen Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Aziz said in the Khutbah Jummah that the purpose of fasting is to attain taqwa, or fear of God, or righteousness. In this regard, I am going to present one prayer of the Holy Prophet ﷺ for the attainment of taqwa or righteousness. Hazrat Abdullah Razillah Tarano relates that the Holy Prophet ﷺ generally used to recite this prayer, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. This is from the book of Muslim, Kitab al-Zikr. And the translation of this prayer of the Holy Prophet ﷺ is as follows. O Allah, I beg you, grant me guidance and your fear. I beg you for chastity and contentment. So 4 things are asked in this prayer. One is that, O Allah, grant me guidance, al-huda. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda. Second thing is wat-tuqa, that is taqwa, righteousness. Wal-afafa, and chastity. And wal-ghina, and contentment. Now, for the acceptance of prayer, the Holy Quran tells us that after one prays, he should also perform correspondent action as well. If he doesn't perform the actions and only pray, those prayers are just useless. For example, if I am saying, or we are saying that, O Allah, grant me guidance, now Allah has told us the Holy Quran is guidance, so read it. If we don't read the Holy Quran and only just say, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda, then it is meaningless. Similarly, at-tuqa, taqwa is to act upon that guidance. So, if we don't act upon it, and don't make effort for that, then of course we are not praying properly. Similarly, wal-afafa, O Allah, grant me chastity. Now for chastity, Allah Ta'ala has given some commandments in the Holy Quran. One of them is that you should get married at right time. And if we unnecessarily delay marriage, it means that we are putting ourselves in danger. And we are not acting upon the teaching which is given by Allah for this purpose. Then of course there are other teachings as well. I have mentioned one point. Then also wal-ghina, contentment. Now, if we don't try to remain within our means and we don't pay our contributions, then how can we have any contentment in the financial matters? So, if we do all these things, then we can say that our prayers are meaningful prayers.